prize games, and free circus acts at Circus Circus.
Well, well.
You still go to Circus Circus, I've never been
there. That line, man.
The line's not too bad.
Just checked into our hotel room at the Luxor, and the view from upstairs is... Look at that.
Oh, that looks good.
Right? Oh. New York, state of mind.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh. Dude. New York, baby. Home of the 9 Fine Irishmen. I'm number 6 or 7. Your license.
Thank you.
We're in Paris, but you know what? They're playing my song. Some Buffett, yo. Because he went to Paris. He did go to Paris to play some raps. There we are. It's one leg of the Eiffel Tower. The other one, anyway. Oh, it's warm. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. Yeah, so here we are on the Strip after hours. I'm just kidding. It's only like 9:30.
They got a buffet at the Wynn.
Well, we stayed at Hell's Kitchen, so buffet is not on the menu, but I will not turn it down. You know,
Looks like
Don't-
meat's back on the menu.
Looks like
boys.
meat
is back on the menu, boys.
yeah, don't tempt me with a good time. Got the steaks going up here.
Can't lie, dude. This is a really fancy.
Yeah, you're telling me. Okay, this is perfect timing because like we came out of Grand Lux.
I don't get it. Palazzo,
Trump.
Venetian.
Killers! Yeah!
Just tag me this stuff. But tag it and send it.
Of course.
Have it like double tap.
Double tap.
Double tap.
Take my friggin' dollar. Go. All right, cool. Took it. All right, let's see how we do on the Wolf Run 2. Oh man, it rejected it. Come on, take my, okay, there it goes. All right. All right, cool. All right, we're in. So we're gonna try a bet. I'm not familiar with this game, but I think we'll just try bet ×1. Boom.
You got $1.
Yeah, look at that. I won $1. Hey, broke even. There you go. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. All right, let's see what this buffet is all about.